Wow, it got really dark.
Daytime.
We just made it. Wait, no.
Daytime.
Have you seen that video? Have you seen that video?
Yeah. Do it again. We can make our own videos.
I love how
Nighttime.
I love when the dentist monkey has his hands in the other dentist monkey.
So, you got kids? Sir, please don't. I'm not going to tell you again. Don't talk when I have my hands in your mouth.
He's like asking me questions while his hands are in his mouth. And
He's
then
like, sir, don't talk with my hands in your mouth.
His hands are in his mouth and he's like, so what's your name? Don't talk with my hands in your mouth.
And then he's like, oh, what? Okay, let me have a taste. Not bad.
Yeah,
now, as a final step, let me smell your breath. Oh, God, that's Frank. I need to lay down. Nighttime.
Hey, turn the lights off. Owls be like, daytime. No, this is nighttime. This is nighttime for owls.
No, this is
Nighttime.
Shut up.
Nighttime.
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 Alan's just going crazy over there.
I think Alan's going to fart out his intestines. Alan's just going to laugh and he's going to fart.
Wait, everyone be quiet.
Alan's just going to laugh and his like intestines are going to splatter out of his mouth. No, Alan.
We're making our own videos.
I love how we just made a skit before we went to bed.
What? Alright.